Welcome everyone. Today we'll be looking at an introduction to matrices. Let us begin by first defining the word matrix. So a matrix is a rectangular array or arrangement of numbers and terms which are placed in a bracket. Let us look on the example here. So we have a matrix. So two key things that we need to remember is one, a matrix is named by using a capital letter. So the name of this matrix would be matrix B. And the next thing is that matrices consist of rows and columns. So rows go horizontally and columns go vertically. So from up to down. So this matrix here is enclosed in a bracket and it has rows and columns. Let us look on the order or dimension of a matrix. Now the order or dimension of a matrix is the number of rows times the number of columns. So we have a matrix A with elements A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now the order or dimension of this matrix would be the number of rows by the number of columns. So we have one row, we have two rows. We have column one column, two column, three column. So the order or the dimension of this matrix would be a 2 by 3 matrix. And we say that the order or the dimension of a matrix is given by the number of rows times the number of columns. Let's do another example. So we have a matrix X and it has elements A, B, C, and D. Now, what would be the order of this matrix? So remember, the order dimension of the matrix is given by the number of rows by the number of columns. So we have one row, and we have one column, two columns, three, and four columns. Therefore, the order of the matrix would be 1 by 4. Few more key things to note. In a matrix, the individual numbers or terms are called elements. Therefore, in this matrix A, it would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 elements. So each of these individual entries inside of a matrix is called an element. As we said before, the order of this matrix would be the number of rows times the number of columns. So we have one row, two rows, one column, two column, three column. So it would be a 2 by 3 matrix. The last thing that we're looking at is the position of an element in a matrix. Now I could give you something looking like this: A, 2, 1, to state the element that is in A, 2, 1. Now the A is just the name of the element, the 2 is the row in which the element is in, and the 1 is the column in which the element is in. So you can identify the position of an element by writing the name of the matrix, then the row, and then the column. So we're looking for the element that is in row 2, and column 1. So therefore, the A21 element would be 4. Let's do another one. So we want to find the position of the element that is in A12. Now we flip this around. So we want to find the element that is in row 1 and column 2. So row 1 and column 2 So that element is 0. So the position is given by the name of the element, then the row and the column in which the element is in.